Hello guys, this is a day 2 challenge from a LeetCode June challenge. So here let's see the challenges of a deleted node in a linked list. So what is the question is given is like we have given a linked list and we have to remove the node which is given like here if we have to remove the node 5. So what we'll be basically doing is we will be making a copy of a 1 in a directly in that node, and we'll be pointing that making like 4119 and directly pointing 41 and 9. So let's see that what is the code, then you will be understanding it is very easy. So let's start. So first of all we'll create a list node pointer next equals node next. So we will be creating a next new which is a node. Now what we'll be doing is node value equals to next value. After this step the 1 would be stored in the place of the 5, and node next equals next val. Then deleting and clearing the memory is an important step. So done. Wait, what has to be done? Yeah, here we have to move it next. I have already submitted that by it's showing finished. Now okay, again I am submitting it. So let's done. Yeah, submission is accepted. I can do it in another way also, like what we can do is node value equals node next. Same thing, but we can write in a different manner. I think this will work. Node next equals node next. Yeah. Whoa, it's working. Let's check. Yeah, it's been also working right. Now we can see in Python also I have written the code, so it would be similar, same thing. Now we'll check it out. Yeah, okay, working perfect. So thank you guys, and we'll do more questions. This is just practice sessions for me, and I am developing so myself, so it would be better to make videos of that so I could also remember, and it would be helpful for you guys also. That's why I'm doing this. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel. Bang.